Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant scripts back-to-back records on 3 consecutive days. Explore, experiment and implement to effect paradigm shift, says CEO RSP on 58th National Metallurgists Day. And birth anniversary of Shahid Veer Birsa Munda celebrated. And now, the news in detail. Rourkela Steel Plant RSP, a unit of the Maharatna Company SAIL, has created back-to-back 3 records in single-day production from different units. On 12 November, Steel Melting Shop 2 made 78 casts and produced 12,150 tons of steel through its casters, which is its best performance since inception. On 13 November, Blast Furnace 5 produced 9,505 tons of hot metal, thereby setting a new record for a single day. The earlier record for single-day hot metal production was of 9,320 tons, which was achieved on 25th May 2018. On 14 November, a new benchmark was set in sinter making with production touching 22,167 tons, which is the highest since inception figure for a single day. The previous record of 22,063 tons was registered on 13 November 2020. Besides, the Hot Strip Mill 1 crossed a major milestone on 13 November by surpassing the production figure of 57 million tons of coils. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, visited Blast Furnace 5, Sintering Plant 3 and Hot Strip Mill 1 on 16 November to congratulate the departments as well as their associated units. He was accompanied by Mr. Rajveer Singh, EDP and A, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge MM and Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM F&A, Mr. Arvind Mishra, CGM RMHP, acting as ED Works, and other senior officers of RSP. The programs were organized in strict adherence to the COVID guidelines. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Chattaraj congratulated the collective for its sincere effort and exhorted it to not only to sustain but also further improve the trend of excellence. He also emphasized on reducing the cost of production as well as enhancing quality and consistency to achieve better margin in the market. The CEO presented bouquets and sweets to all the HODs in appreciation of the good job. Mr. Singh congratulated the collective and appreciated the associated departments for their combined efforts to achieve this outstanding achievement. Mr. Kumar praised the employees for registering record-breaking performance and sustaining the good works. The collective, on their part, reiterated their commitment to give their best in achieving the challenging targets in the current fiscal. Explore, experiment and implement to effect a paradigm shift, said Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO, Rourkela Steel Plant RSP, while addressing in the 58th National Metallurgists Day celebrations organized in a blended mode at HRD Center of RSP and online on 13 November 2020. The function was a joint endeavor of Indian Institute of Metals, Rourkela Chapter, Rourkela Steel Plant and National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. Professor Amol A. Gokhale, President IIM, Mr. Kushal Saha, Secretary General IIM, Headquarters, Kolkata, Mr. S.K. Bashak, Special Invitee, Mr. P.K. Das, Chairman IIM Rourkela Chapter, Mr. Rajveer Singh, EDP and A, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, Vice Chairman, Professor B.C. Roy, Vice Chairman, and Mr. A. Dasgupta, Secretary of IIM Rourkela Chapter, senior officers of RSP and members of IIM Rourkela Chapter joined the meeting that was organized adhering to the COVID-19 guidelines. Mr. Chattaraj congratulated the organizers of the event of reviving the IIM chapter of Rourkela and making it a student affiliate chapter. This will not only help in continuous development of the profession but also in networking, sharing of experience and expertise and providing career support to students, he said. Referring metallurgy as the mother of all other engineering streams, he highlighted its importance in steel industry and the need of its integration with automation and hydraulics to address the new challenges and competitions being faced by steel industry from composites and engineering materials. The CEO emphasized upon the need of leveraging technology with special mention of nanotechnology, robotics and better chemistry of hot metal for setting up global benchmark by developing newer cost and environment efficient materials. He also laid stress on energy conservation, cost reduction, quality, environment management. In the beginning, Professor Amol A. Gokhale, who joined online, inaugurated the function and declared the Students' Affiliate Chapter open. He also thanked the Rourkela chapter for organizing the program. That has also made the entire IMM active after a hibernation because of COVID. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Basak urged all to sustain the present performance trend of RSP in creating and breaking records. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Shaha highlighted the importance of collaboration and networking with national and international bodies. He informed the House about the different courses made available by IIM and expounded in detail on critical metals. During the function, 8 B.Tech, M.Tech and dual degree students of NIT Rourkela were presented with the National Metallurgists Day Award for their academic excellence for the academic year 2019-20. 10 young engineers of the plant were also conferred with the Young Metallurgist Award. Mr. P.K. Dash, Mr. S.K. Basak, late Mr. Samarjit Sarkar and Mr. S.K. Singh of Blast Furnaces were felicitated for their outstanding contributions in the field of metallurgy. At the outset, Mr. P.K. Das welcomed the gathering. Mr. Arunabh Dasgupta, CGM Quality, RSP and Secretary, IIM Rourkela Chapter, presented a brief report on the activities of IIM Rourkela Chapter. Mr. P. Murali, CGM HSM, proposed a vote of thanks. Ms. Ankita Bilung, Manager CP2, anchored the event. The 145th birth anniversary of Shahid Veer Birsa Munda was celebrated with pomp and ceremony by the Birsa Munda Statue Committee at Birsa Chowk, Rourkela on 15th November. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, was the chief guest on the occasion. Mr. P.K. Dash, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, EDP and A, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, Mr. Daulat Chadrakar, Sub-Collector, Panpost, Mr. A.K. Nayak, CGM, TA and CSR, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge MM and Marketing, Mr. Dhirendra Mishra, GM, PR and COC were the guests of honor. Also present on the occasion were several senior officers of RSP and state government members of the Statue Committee and representatives of various other organizations. The program was conducted in a very simple manner, taking into consideration the COVID norms. The dignitaries paid their homage by paying floral tributes to the great freedom fighter. Professor Bijay Kumar Topo, Secretary, Birsa Munda Statue Committee, welcomed the gathering and presented a report on the activities of the organization. Dr. M. Soren, Joint Director, MNHS and Vice President BMSC, and Mr. Prasanna Kumar Tripathi, Joint Secretary, Birsa Munda Statue Committee, coordinated the event. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.